Hi everyone, I'm Frank S. Ring. I'm an author, teacher, and a walking enthusiast. Today I want to talk to you about something incredibly powerful, and that's the life-changing potential of just one simple step and the mindset shift that will make it automatic. Now that's right, just one step. Because that step, that first one you take, can shift your momentum, change your mindset, and quite literally redirect your life's path. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or just unsure where to begin on your health and fitness journey, this video is for you. So stick around. I'll be sharing a free downloadable resource you can use today to start this journey. Now, the myth of needing to be ready. Now, let's clear a huge myth up right now. You don't need to be ready to start. You don't need the perfect weather, the perfect shoes, or even the perfect plan. Waiting for the stars to align? You could be waiting forever. Okay, what matters is starting with what you have right now, where you are. Now, that first step, whether it's walking to the end of the block or around the kitchen, is a statement, a declaration that says, I'm ready to move forward. Now, why starting is the hardest and most important step. Starting is hard. I get it. There's a fear of failure. There's doubt, that inner voice that's asking, what's the point? But here's what most people don't realize. Starting changes your identity. Let me repeat that. Just starting today, by taking that first step, changes your identity. The moment you take action, even a small one, you stop being someone who's thinking about change and become someone doing something about it. And that's empowering, that's motivating, and that's momentum. Every transformation begins with a decision, but the hardest part is making the first move. So whether it's fear of failure, uncertainty, or feeling overwhelmed, these mental barriers can hold us back for days or even years. But here's the truth. Once you start, everything changes. That first step builds momentum, shifts your mindset, and redefines what's possible. Starting creates an identity shift. You stop being someone thinking about it and becoming someone who takes action. It breaks inertia. Motion breeds motivation. The hardest part is getting moving. The rest follows naturally. And you gain instant clarity. Taking action reveals what really matters and shows you that progress is possible. Now, knowing your why. Now, before we go any further, I want to ask you a question. Do you know your why? Your why is that personal purpose, the internal motivation that goes beyond surface level goals like losing weight or getting in shape. It's the motivational driver that keeps you going when motivation fades, when life gets busy, or when excuses creep in. Examples of a strong why might be, I want to be healthy and active for my kids and future grandkids. I need a mental reset after years of putting my needs last. I want to walk every day to manage stress and improve my mindset. Or I'm tired of starting over. I want to finally stick with something. Now, why this matters? When you're connected with your why, walking becomes more than just an exercise. It becomes a personal mission. And when walking is linked to something that matters deeply to you, consistency becomes easier, more natural, and even enjoyable. Because when the couch starts to feel extra comfortable and the weather isn't perfect, your why is what gets you up and out the door. Your why is your reason, your motivation for starting this journey in the first place. Whatever it is, knowing your why gives your walk meaning. Your why turns a simple step into a powerful act of self-respect. Now, here are 3 key benefits of knowing your why. Clarity. You're not just walking aimlessly, you're walking with a purpose. Resilience. When life throws you curveballs, your why gives you the mental strength to stay on track. And motivation. Your why pulls you forward, especially on days when you feel like quitting. So take a moment right now and reflect on your why. Why you want to walk, feel better, or create real change in your life. So write it down. Keep it where you see it often. Let that why be the spark that gets you off the couch and into your walking shoes and out the door. When you connect deeply with your purpose, walking no longer feels like a task. It becomes second nature. You won't have to think about it. Walking simply becomes part of who you are, woven into the rhythm of your daily life. How one step becomes a ripple effect. Remember, real progress doesn't come from doing everything at once. Now, here's the beautiful part about starting with just one simple step. That one step leads to another, and another, and another. You walk for 5 minutes today. Tomorrow it's 7 minutes. Next week, you're walking a mile before breakfast. Soon, you're not just walking. You're sleeping better, you're thinking clearer, and you feel proud of yourself again. This ripple effect touches every part of your life. Your mood, your confidence, your mindset, all transformed by something so simple, so doable, so human, and that's movement. Every journey begins with a single step, but that step never is as small as it seems. It sets off a ripple that spreads throughout your life, touching everything from your mindset to your physical health and emotional well-being. Now, here's how one step can lead to massive change. Momentum builds confidence. Each small success reinforces your belief in yourself and makes the next step easier. Positive habits stack up over time. A daily walk becomes a routine, which leads to better sleep, improved focus, and healthier choices. Your energy inspires others. As you grow stronger, more motivated, people around you notice, and many are moved to take that first step too. Real progress comes from consistency, not intensity. You don't have to go from zero to marathon. You don't need to walk for an hour a day. What you need to do is show up every day. So take one step, then two, then just keep going. When you remove pressure and replace it with patience and purpose, you create sustainable habits that last a lifetime. Now, when it comes to getting in shape, the biggest mistake people make is going too hard, too fast. They think intensity equals results. And if you're out of shape and you do something real intense like boot camp or go out and try to run hard, that's when you get hurt. Okay, so it's not about the intensity. Okay, the truth is real progress is built slowly and steadily by showing up day after day, not by burning out in a burst of effort. Consistency creates habits, and habits are what lead to lasting change. Now, daily effort compounds over time. It's not about doing everything in one day. It's about showing up again and again, building long-term results through simple repetition. You avoid burnout and injury. Intensity leads to quick fatigue, but consistency allows your body to adapt gradually and safely. And you build a lifestyle, not just a workout. When walking becomes part of your daily rhythm, fitness stops being a task and becomes part of who you are. Now, to help you take that first step, I've created a free guide called The Power of Starting, one simple step that changes everything. Now, it includes a motivational blueprint to help you break through inertia, simple daily actions to get moving physically and mentally. Click the link below to download it. It's free, and it's your first small win that you'll have on your walking journey. We all need wins. Your next step. One simple step can break inertia and begin a life-changing ripple effect. Get outside, take that first step, even if it's for a short 10-minute walk. Know your why. It's your fuel for showing up, especially on tough days. Real progress comes from consistency, not intensity. Show up daily. Starting is the hardest but most important step in creating momentum. And download your free guide, The Power of Starting, to take your first step today, and check out the Walking for Health and Fitness website. So if you've made it this far, you've already taken that first mental step, and that's powerful. But if you really want to take it further, I want to invite you to check out my website, walkingforhealthandfitness.com. At Walking for Health and Fitness, you'll find my blog posts, my Walking for Health and Fitness podcast, my 4 walking books, and my walking programs. Okay, so if you liked this video, if you got something out of it, one simple step, you got one simple thing out of it, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. Now start walking today and take that first simple step. I'll see you out there. This is Frank. Walk on.